Visual cues make certain reminders easier to notice. When you're not on your phone or at your computer, a visual cue made from smart lights is the best way to get a much needed reminder, or to set up a scene and create a certain ambiance in the room. I'm Drea from the IF team, and I'll show you how to create a visual cue using smart lights. IF's applets can be triggered by your voice assistant, reminders, the time of day, and many other IF services. Using Nanoleaf smart lights, I can create a visual cue whenever a timer goes off. I tell Alexa to start my timer, then the Nanoleaf smart lights change color when the timer goes off. Lighting really affects people's moods. So when I want a more calming atmosphere, I opt for blue lighting. Another IFT applet that I like sets a scene using Nanoleaf whenever I press a button widget on my phone. If you want to see more applets that use smart lights in smart ways, watch how I upgrade one of the most popular applets on IFT so that I can serve energy using smart light automation.